Hello from Slovenia again. Few videos ago I did this dancing universe kind of pour inspired by Olga Sobi. I just love this moon. So gorgeous, isn't it? So I was really happy with this one. I will put a coat of resin on top of this. And then I tried to do another one. And it didn't turn out as I hoped. So, it has some interesting things in it. I will just try to put some more planets on. And I had those skins from some pours left, you know. And I will just draw and I will glue them on. I have two more here and we will see what will happen. So, let me just put this canvas aside for a second and grab this one. Just want to see where it will have some kind of 3D look. So I will just draw the outside ring and try to cut it really carefully because I want this circle to be a nice one. That's why I'm using these scissors for cutting nails for this. I think they will work the best, and you see my hands are shaking. What I did here. Obviously I went a little off. Okay, this is one of our planets. I'm done with this part, so I did cut some planets out, and because they have some pigments in it, they shift a little bit. Okay, I have Elmer's glue ready. Now I want to place them down. So this is dry, and I did mix some resin, and I will put some resin on top. I don't even care if maybe those planets will stay raised from the surface, or how can I say, I will just see while I will do that. So I will just pour some resin on. I want to have quite a layer, I will say. And now I will use my hands to spread this. You have different ways of spreading this, but because those are raised, or how can I say, those planets, I think that my hands will be the best way. I will rub the sides while I'm doing that. Make sure that they will be covered with the resin too. I see a spot that I didn't cover it there. See, resin is leveling out, and it is kind of covered in some places, and this one is kind of raised. I don't know, but it looks okay. I think I have to push a little more resin here, maybe because I have left a little bit. I'll just pour here. Maybe a little more here, and then I will go with the heat gun once more. This is okay now. Okay, and now I will grab these little pigments. This is sequins. It's just iridescent, and I will grab this brush, and I will just try to sprinkle some on top. Now I see a little, or just pour a little more of my resin over those planets. So here it is. Beautiful shine and iridescent look. So I think that I kind of save it. I'm still not, I don't know, over the moon with this painting, but those planets are really cool. This is the one that I had it on already. This pearl paints make this just beautiful. So a little different thing today, but hope that you learned something and that you like it, of course. Have a nice weekend. See you on the next one. Bye.